Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the i500 TWS wireless headphones. So this video is sponsored by MG, and to cop the exact same AirPods as the one shown in the video, please click on the link in the description right below. So with all that said, let's get started with the review and the unboxing. Looking at the box, size-wise, I think it's the same dimensions as the original box, and we have the AirPods here, the same image, I guess. To the sides, no Apple logo, probably because of copyright reasons. Yeah, looking to the back, some info here, very sleek design. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so here we have some papers here. Whoa, that one fell out. That's good. Let's see what this is. Probably some instruction manual or something similar. Yeah, some instruction manual. Alright, let's put that aside. We don't need it, right? Let's put that down below. Here we have the AirPods themselves. Very good looking. Put them to the side too. We're gonna come back to those later, and we're gonna see what more we have. Alright, here we have the charger for them. I think they're laid out the same as exactly same as the real AirPods. I think, yeah, it's just a normal lightning cable to charge them. Great. Now it's getting kind of messy here. I don't like it getting messy. Let's take all the important stuff out. Put this to the side. Put this to the side. Alright guys, so here we have the pods themselves. Let's try to take them out actually. Let's see if I can figure it out here. I'm probably doing it wrong. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the video and I'm gonna come back. Never mind, I don't need to do that. Because sometimes it takes a lot of time guys and I don't like. Alright, I'm gonna come back to you guys. Alright guys, so here we got the AirPods themselves. We got the case here. Alright, 1-to-1 size, exactly the same size as the original AirPods. Here we have the same Apple writing as the original AirPods, and we have the button here. Very good. Let's open it up here. Alright, it has battery. The light as the original AirPods too. Let's try to take them out. Alright. Great. Let's see. Exactly. The anti-magnetic case here too. And it closes with a very good and satisfying sound. Here we got the pods themselves. 1-to-1 size. Nothing more to comment. Exactly the same as the original ones. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. Just the same as the original AirPods. There's no difference at all. Let me see if there's a writing. Sometimes they're included. Alright, there is a writing. There is a writing. I don't know if you can see it, but there is writing on them. Exactly as the originals too. So, looks wise, you're expecting to get the same exactly as the original AirPods. This is awesome. No, I'm doing it right? Yeah. Alright. I think that indicates that it's low on battery. I'm not sure. White showed red. Anyways guys, here is the AirPods themselves. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the connection with these to the iPhone. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be testing out the pop-up function. So this time I don't have access to the fancy iPhone X anymore, so we're gonna have to do it with this iPhone 5S. I use Android myself, so I'm lucky to have an iOS device right now with me. Oh, fast. Very fast actually. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, there you go. You can see it from this angle. Not your AirPods. Whoa, you kinda can't see it here. Let me try to do it like that. Alright, it's saying hold to the back of the case, which I'm gonna do right now. Whoa, it's connecting. Awesome. Yeah, it's actually connected. Whoa. Oh, one of the AirPods has got no charge. Alright, you know, that's why it was blinking red. Let's try to open it up again. Alright. Alright, this is kind of hard to see, but you know, it's actually the same as the original AirPods. And it closes. Alright guys, so here is the pop-up function. Alright guys, so in conclusion, I really like these. Look-wise, they're one-to-ones. They're really close to the original AirPods. I don't think a normal person could distinguish a real AirPod from this without having two besides each other. Maybe they can't even spot them with having two besides each other. Battery time, I would expect less than 3.5 hours, maybe 4. Sound-wise, they sound good. They sound good. They don't sound as good as the original AirPods, but they're extremely good for a price. If you notice maybe a lack of bass or something, or if there's too much bass, you can just tune it with the EQ settings on Spotify or whatever app you're listening to. So sound is really not an issue. I think that they sound great. Functionality, they actually have the actual pop-up, and they have very good battery life. So in my opinion, the functionality is awesome. With all of that said, actually guys, I have no comments on this. I think that they look really good. I can't say anything negative at the moment. I would really recommend it to you guys. Now, as I said, if you'd want to actually purchase one of these, head down to the description below, because MG is actually doing a Cyber Monday sale, so make sure to not miss that out. With all that said guys, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.